This is 15th of October, and this is Dashera. Dashera is some sort of festival they celebrate. They burn these things, and it's obviously something about good wins over the bad. I'm not sure what it's all about, but I'm gonna ask people since I'm not that fully aware. Let's find somebody to ask. Do you know what's all this festival all about?
Hello.
Okay, that's a good one. Do you know what's the festival all about?
आज अच्छाई की बुराई पे जीत हुई थी.
Yeah, this one.
So Ravan was a bad guy. Actually, he was very intelligent, but he was bad. Like he had a lot of ego issues, and then Ram killed him.
Okay.
And so Ram was a good guy. He killed the bad guy.
So basically, Ravan, he was intelligent guy, and he used his intelligence in bad way.
Yeah.
Yeah, and who was Ram?
Ram was a prince and he was a good guy, and then he showed that goodness has more power than the bad thing.
Okay. I've just been told this no statue, the statue of Corona, is gonna die today as well. There are so many phones.
Ravan was a guy who was very learned and intelligent, and he had some supernatural powers from Lord Shiva. So he was blessed by Lord Shiva. He asked Lord Shiva that I need to have certain powers, that nobody can kill me or beat me in life. It is not possible that anybody who is born as a human being needs to die.
Yeah.
So Lord Shiva said, I cannot give you this blessing, but I can give you those kind of powers that nobody will be able to beat you. So he said, okay. So those were the special powers. I knew few of them. One was like nobody, you cannot be killed during the day, neither during the night.
Only when sunset happens.
So that's why Dussehra is celebrated on sunset time. Nobody can kill you any weapon, any sort of weapon. You cannot be killed. There is just one soft spot. So he always used to protect his belly. It was the belly button.
Okay.
Then there were some more powers like this. There were so many things, which he got like special powers and all. So he became very proud, and then God himself, he came to this earth in form of Lord Rama.
Yeah.
He took avatar,
Uh-huh.
of Lord Rama. So so Lord Rama was born to kill Ravan.
Okay.
So then, there were some circumstances happening, because
Mhm.
there should be a way of killing the Ravana.
Yeah.
So what happened, like there were some circumstances, like Ravan had a lot of brothers,
Yeah.
and he had one sister
Mhm.
whose name was Shrupnakha.
Okay.
And when Ram got into Banwas along with Lakshman,
Yeah.
Lakshman was Ram's brother. They had to be in Banwas. Banwas is like staying in the forest for 14 years. He got this Banwas.
Yeah.
So this Shrupnakha, she just saw his brother, Ram's brother, and she really liked him.
Mhm.
And she tried to throw some tantrums on him, and he was like not interested. So he told, I'm not interested in you, girl. So she was after him again and again. So he just cut down his nose, and she started bleeding, and she went back to Ravan crying that, okay, this guy did like this with me.
Uh-huh.
So it was Ram's brother who did like this. So out of revenge, he went over there and he kidnapped Ram's wife Sita,
Yeah.
just to take revenge of Shrupnakha.
Mhm.
And he took her along with him to Sri Lanka
Mhm.
through some Udan Vahan, which we call helicopter these days.
Okay. Udan Vahan.
Yeah, Udan Vahan. So Udan Tashtari or Udan Vahan, whatever. So then what happened? Then Ram was like, he went all the way to get back his wife.
Yeah.
And then the story began, and then finally, like after a long fight, so Ravan was killed by Ram. So it's a very long story. That's why he got killed, because he was given this vardhan that nobody is able to kill you. So God himself took an avatar to kill him, because he cannot give this sort of blessing to anyone, no? That
Yeah.
anybody can be like everybody is immortal. So nobody can be immortal, no?
Yeah.
Throughout life. So that's why.